Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to review Deyga Organic Products, and the products I'm going to review are Deyga Aloe Vera Gel and Deyga Beetroot Lip Balm. I have received this aloe vera gel from this brand and I'm very much impressed with the quality and performance of this product. So I wanted to try some other products from this brand and I bought one of their best sellers, which is Deyga Beetroot Lip Balm. I tried both of these products for almost a month religiously, and now I'm ready to give an in-depth detailed review of these two products. And before starting this video, I want to let you guys know that this video is not sponsored and my review is completely based on my experience. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's go! The first product I'm going to review is Deyga Aloe Vera Gel. Firstly, let's talk about benefits of aloe vera gel on skin quickly. Aloe vera gel contains essential antioxidants, vitamins, enzymes and amino acids, and also it is highly anti-inflammatory, so it helps to treat mild acne, dry skin and sunburns. And it is very important to use aloe vera gel formulated into a product and avoid using aloe vera gel directly from an aloe plant onto your skin. The reason is aloe vera plant contains some harmful compounds like latex, which can cause high irritation and allergic reactions to some skin types. And this brand Deyga has purest aloe vera gel and the ingredient list contains Aloe barbadensis. It is a botanical name of aloe vera and also it is cold pressed, and aloe vera extract, and lastly aloe hydrosol. My take on this product is, firstly, I really like the consistency of this product. It is quite thick and yet lightweight on the skin, so you just need a little amount of this product and in less than 1 minute the product gets completely absorbed into the skin and it doesn't feel sticky at all, which is a big plus. Secondly, it has no fragrance and it is transparent, so it has no added colors unlike other brands. Number 3, it has a sturdy tub type packaging. It doesn't leak, so it is travel friendly, and on the package they had mentioned 3 things. Number 1 is store in cool and dry place. Second one, keep away from direct sunlight, and as it is an organic product, they had mentioned to refrigerate after use for longer shelf life. Coming to my experience of this product is really impressive. I'm using this every night and I observe that my dark spots are fading and my skin texture has slightly improved. And using this every night, my excess oil production has been controlled for a certain extent. So I use this aloe vera gel in different ways and I'm going to list down 3 amazing ways you can use this aloe vera gel. Number 1 is use it as a night gel. Before going to sleep, take a little amount of this aloe vera gel and apply it all over your face and neck. Let it dry, leave it for 1 minute, and lastly do follow up with a good moisturizer. The reason is, although aloe vera gel can help moisturize your skin, but aloe vera gel is 98% water. It is largely water and it is a humectant. That means it is extremely beneficial to hydrate your skin. So aloe vera gel cannot alone can moisturize your skin, so it is important to top it up with a moisturizer which contains occlusives and emollients to keep your skin smooth, soft and healthy. Number 2 is you can use this aloe vera gel in your face packs, and my favorite is besan plus aloe vera gel plus honey. To make this, take 1 spoon of aloe vera gel and 1 spoon of besan, which is also called as gram flour, and lastly add some honey. Mix it well and apply it all over your face and neck. Leave it for 15 minutes and wash it off. It helps to nourish the skin and treats the suntan, blemishes, works really well, so try it out. Number 3 is you can use this aloe vera gel as a makeup primer. I will show you a quick comparison of the makeup primer I'm using and this aloe vera gel. So the primer I'm using is from Colorbar. It's the Colorbar Perfect Match Primer and it costs 850 rupees. And the consistency looks like this. And this is the consistency of aloe vera gel. As you can see, it's so similar, and also once the aloe vera gel dries out, it gives slight matte finish, which is perfect as a makeup primer. And I personally feel that primers are overpriced and this works fine for me as a primer to create that smooth base for makeup and also to mattify the oily areas, so try it out. Coming to the price of this product, we are getting this for MRP 350 rupees for 100 ml. It's little pricey, but I think the quality is worth the price. And if you want to buy this product, you can buy only in Deyga website. If you need, you can check the link in the description box below. My final verdict is I totally recommend this product. The consistency, the quality and the results are definitely worth trying. And on the product they recommend to do a patch test, and yes, of course you need to do a patch test because some people are allergic to aloe vera gel, so please do a patch test. The second product I'm going to review is Deyga Beetroot Lip Balm. I have tried many lip balms till date and I always end up looking for other good lip balms in the market, and I bought this product with no expectations, but I must say this product really works and the formulation is very impressive. The ingredient list contains almond oil, avocado oil, jojoba oil, shea butter, beetroot extract and beeswax. All these ingredients are exceptional healing agents for damaged lips, and they help to rejuvenate your lips by removing dead skin cells, and also they help and prevent dry and chapped lips by keeping them extra hydrated and moisturized. Okay, the consistency of the product is, it has a buttery consistency and the product has a very light formula, and this product exactly smells like some blend of oils. And coming to the price and packaging of this product comes in a aluminum container, which is quite handy, and the price of the product is 290 rupees for 20 grams. And trust me, a little goes a long way and this small jar lasts a long time. Okay, now let's talk about my experience with this product. Firstly, I have dry lips, and not only during winters, I use lip balm throughout the year, and this lip balm gives a high nourishment and such good moisturization, and it worked like a remedy for my chapped lips. Secondly, I love the fact that you need not to reapply this lip balm again and again. Due to its buttery consistency, it stays for a long time on the lips, and you can just apply it once in 4 hours, which is a big plus. Number 3, this lip balm doesn't give any tint on your lips. It's not a tinted lip balm, and also it doesn't change your lip color into baby pink, but it helps in bringing back your original color of your lips, because when your lips are dry, damaged and chapped, they could appear dull in color, and these ingredients are perfect to treat pigmentation and to bring back that lost moisture, and also it's great to treat damaged lips. My final verdict on this product is I totally recommend this product if you have dry and damaged lips. You can see difference within few weeks, and I'm definitely going to repurchase this product again. And that's it for today. I hope you find this video useful, and if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more such videos. Bye guys.